So do you need a plumber to do something about the hole?
Oh my goodness.
That just didn't happen in 1 hour.
No.